what studies have been done to prove efficacy?
Many different studies. As we all know, we don't have a cure for Alzheimer's or dementia at this time. What's really important in the studies that are coming out is what can we do to identify it and slow it down and hopefully one day have a cure.
Absolutely.
And so there's a really unique study, it's actually out of London, where they took taxi cab drivers, and what they found in the taxi cab drivers is their hippocampus, which lives in the middle of your brain, which is involved for your memory. It's what helps you remember things. Their hippocampus is very large, much larger than a non-taxi cab driver. And if you think about a taxi cab driver, especially in London, where they have to do wayfinding, they have to understand where the roads are, how to get somebody from point A to point B. And so that's where there's a lot of research going into what's called a cognitive reserve. Every time you learn something new, every time you challenge your brain, you have those social interactions. You actually put a deposit into this reserve. And what this reserve does is it makes your brain stronger. So if by God you ever had to face a brain disorder such as Alzheimer's or dementia or a brain injury, your brain is stronger and it almost can learn how to find pathways around the diseased part to help you keep functioning. And so that's where there's so much research in why total brain health is so important, why just focusing on brain health and really stimulating Sudoku, crossword puzzles. Those are fantastic, but you really have to stretch your brain a little bit further and try to remember something that might be a struggle. It might be remembering phone numbers. It might be remembering a poem, a new recipe. These are the different things we're trying to teach our residents and make sure they have the ability to participate if they want.
That's great.